Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Wouldn't you know it, there is more scented makeup and I have a bin filled with it right in front of me from CoverGirl. There is peach scented blush, there is chocolate scented bronzer, we have a contour set, an eyeshadow set, another eyeshadow set. It's just like kind of blowing my mind that there's so much scented makeup out there right now. And I'm really curious. I have not opened anything. I have not smelled anything. You guys know we have been down this journey once before with L'Oreal, actually twice with L'Oreal. I tried on their chocolate scented liquid lips that are just such a favorite of mine now. I still reach for those nonstop. And then the peach palette that they had, which was peach scented palette, and then they had fruit scented blush. It's just like a thing at the moment. And I kind of love it. I kind of go, is this necessary? But I don't know, it's kind of fun. I kind of sway on the side of, you know, foundations and creams and things that you put all over your face. Maybe you should calm down on the whole scent factor, but it is kind of fun when it's in a lip product or a blush or just something like that. I don't know, I kind of think it's cute. So let me share with you what we have in this bin right in front of me. And I do have some extras. I feel like I grabbed one of these in Walmart because I think this is a Walmart exclusive. And then the other one I had ordered online and forgot that I ordered it. So I do have two. So I will be putting one of these in a giveaway. In fact, you know what? Quick little giveaway within this video. If you want to win this palette, then just be sure that you are subscribed and leave a comment below. All right. Other than that, I have, you know, two eyeshadow palettes. I have the Chocoholic contour palette. I have the Peach Punch blush. We also have a Peach Punch highlighter. This looks really pretty. I recently did a declutter of highlighters and more of them just keep making their way home to me, and that's all right. We, you know, made some space. I will link that video below if you care to see it. So I think I just want to start with maybe the face products and then we'll scooch in for the eye products, and I am gonna do a full day wear test. This is a first impressions of scented makeup. So I think the first thing I wanna do is the blush. I have foundation, I have powder, I have concealer, but I have no blush. I'm not even wearing bronzer. Any of the bronze that you see is this right here, which is a cream that I put on top of the Chanel Sublimage tinted moisturizer situation type of a foundation. And that together, I feel gives you an extra layer of coverage and kind of bronzes you up at the same time. So this is the only thing I'm wearing as far as like a bronzer. I am still gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna do a little extra contour on the face with this, but beyond that, there's no highlight, no nothing, no blush. Oh my gosh, I feel like my earrings are like burning me. I have such a strange allergy with metal. Do we see that my full ear is getting like red? And we're taking these out because they're burning. It's like the most annoying thing really to have like an allergy to most metals. Really annoying for James because I'm like, I'm a princess, get me the real deal, you know? Also, side note, as I'm being super random in the intro of this video, why do I own like so many gold hoops? These ones were new from Madewell and they are just killing me. So we're gonna fix that and then we're gonna blush. Okay, so let's check out the prices of these. Hey Siri, how much is the peach scented blush from CoverGirl?
Here's what I found on the web for how much is the peach scented blush from CoverGirl.
Oh, ooh. Oh my God, you guys. Whew. I have them like sitting down on the desk open. I can smell that from here, like just doing a little bit of quick on the spot research. These are no joke fragrant. I don't know that I like that though. It's like kind of a very body wash peach scent. I don't know. See, what I really wanted was this trio right here. They were completely sold out online and in stores of the Peach Punch highlighter palette. I really wanted that, guys. I didn't get it. So it appears that the bronzer and highlighter and blush are $7, not too shabby. Let's see how they blend. I've actually always really liked CoverGirl blushes, so I'm optimistic. The scent on here is really intense. Wow. That's not a shy blush either. Dude, that is really intense. I didn't even dip in twice, and that is giving me just like lots of color. A lot of CoverGirl blushes usually are a little more subtle than this, so that is surprising. Not bad, not great. We'll see how it wears. Whoa, and like a lot is picking up on the brush from here. This is the Peach Punch highlighter in the shade, I guess there's only one of these. Let's dive right in. All right, so that is what I call a creamy glow highlight, where it is not metallic, it is not super sparkly. It goes on more just like a sweep of light, which I don't mind. The color of it is nice. The scent is very overwhelming. I like it. I don't not like it. This is no Maybelline Master Chrome. That one is like my absolute fave. So I always compare things texture-wise and the way it sits on the skin to that one. This is just more of a creamy highlight. It's cute, it's nice, it's blending. The scent is really intense. Keep that in mind. Don't love it, don't hate it. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Usually I have very, one way or the other opinions, but I'm not having that. All right, so I'm gonna take a JD Weighty brush. This is from Luxie, and I'm gonna dip into this contour shade, and I'm barely grabbing anything, and I do wanna slightly, like I'm holding the very edge of the brush, I'm slightly going to graze the side of my nose. It's so funny, I look back at old videos where I didn't contour my nose, and it's just such a huge difference. That blended really nicely, actually. I'm impressed. It's not grabbing at anything. I'm actually gonna take this shade on a crease brush and just kind of set up the crease a little bit. I've been enjoying doing this, where you use colors that you use elsewhere on your face in your eye look, and it kind of pulls everything together. And I am going for more of a juicy, natural look today. It's not gonna be natural, but it's gonna be with that element, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is a beautiful shade, and it does blend really, really nicely. Okay, cool. In this palette right here, ew, that does not smell like chocolate. This does not smell like chocolate. It smells like cardboard with a hint of chocolate. Not my fave. Okay, this guy in the middle is great. This little guy right here did not swatch great. Very interesting. Let's do the arm check. Yeah, this golden one is more like a topper. Okay, that's not bad, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more highlight to my highlight, because sometimes you just need to do that. Oh, that was a mistake. Gosh dang it. Okay, so that one is a little too dark for me. I think definitely this kit right here is going to be best for those of you with deeper skin tones, and then the one that was sold out is probably going to be better suited for my skin tone, even though I do really like that contour powder in this trio. Fix it up. Good as new. All right, I want to scooch in a little bit closer, and we are going to play around with these right here. We're going to swatch them, smell them, try them on, see how they wear. I'm super curious. You guys, if I am giving you like the on-the-spot quick review, scent-wise, this kind of smells like something else, like maybe shampoo with a hint of peach, or body wash with a hint of peach, and the chocolate is just kind of off. I don't know. Have you smelled these? Leave that in the comments below. I want to hear from you guys. But let's get to putting on some eyeshadow. We're going to start with the Trunaked Chocoholic, and okay, so the L'Oreal chocolate lippies, those smelled like chocolate pudding. Like they actually made me feel like, ooh, like I want a piece of chocolate. And this smells like expired cocoa. Like it has like a sour thing to it. I'm not the only one that thinks this. I know that. Somebody else make me feel more normal in the comments section. Okay, so I'm gonna go in first with a crease brush. I'm using the Kylie number 11 brush, and I'm going to further pull this color out toward the edge. This is blending really nice. I have high hopes. Have you guys watched the show Sweet Bitter? I consumed it in just like one sitting, basically. Oh my gosh, so beautiful and good, and I was so obsessed. I don't know, I just really love the style of that show. If you haven't watched it, check it out. It's super, super cute. And also, like, let me know, what are you watching right now? I always have a hard time finding new shows to watch. And at the end of the day, I swear I sit down and I'll like go on Netflix and I will spend more time surfing Netflix than actually watching a show. And sometimes I'll just give up altogether. All right, I love, love, love how this is blending. It's like one of those shadows that's just doing what I want it to do. It's not skipping, it's blurring out when I loosen up the pressure. It stinks, but it's nice. Side note, I also have to say this is such a magical brush if you have hooded or slightly hooded eyes like mine, because it allows you, it has like a little bit of a taper, and it really allows you to get on that outer edge and just pull up a little bit higher, and the shape is just right to do basically what I'm doing right now. So I'm liking that so much. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is take this shade here and I'm going to pack that on the lid. Let's just see what happens. It looks like it might not be that pigmented. No, that's good. Ugh, the peach one is scented like twice as strong as the chocolate. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I am gonna go into the peach palette, into this shade right here, and go back into the crease. Ooh, these are really dusty, be warned. All right, so my going back in the crease did move around the peach quite a bit. I'm gonna go into this darker shade right here, same brush, grabbing it kind of on the side. And I'm just gonna press it on that very outer edge, kind of at an angle, and pat. This is really pretty. Okay, so there are a few issues with this palette. It is super, super dusty. I don't know if that picked up on camera at all, but for the most part, it blends really nice. So I'm curious to see what the longevity of wear is and all of that. I'm gonna kind of tap this on the outer edge, but just a little bit in right in this area here. And now I'm gonna go into the peach palette and grab this lighter shade also on my fingertips. These are so powdery, like even with my fingertips, it is kind of crumbling everywhere. So that is a giant drawback, but just look at how beautiful these shadows are. So it's kind of like worth it in a way. And I think I do want to pull a little bit of color on the lower lash line. I'm going to go in to this guy right here and just kind of drag this along the lower lash line to tie everything together. Blend that out just a tiny little bit. One more thing, I'm going to take an itty bitty brush. I'm going to go into this cream shade right here and highlight the brow bone. Final step, I'm gonna take a completely clean brush and just kind of make sure that all the edges are nice and buffed and blurred. And then I am going to pop on a little liner, a little lash, and I will be right back. You guys, I have to say, all in all, I really enjoy my makeup right now. I feel like it looks very light and fresh. I decided to not put on falsies and just, you know, let the highlight and kind of the softness of the blend of the eyeshadows shine through. And I'm really happy with it. Don't really care for the scent, which is like the whole pull of this collection, but that's okay. The products are not bad. They do blend nicely. The shadows have kind of a lot of fallout, which I'm not, you know, a huge fan of, but the makeup for that is that they blended so nicely. So we're just gonna see how long they wear, if they crease, if they fade, all of that. Also, I wanted to share with you guys that I am wearing a fellow YouTuber's lip product. This is from Dominique Cosmetics, Kristen Dominique, and she has a new collection called Lemonade. I decided to wear the shade Peach Tea, and it smells delicious, you guys. This smells very sweet and yummy, and I have to say her glosses smell a lot better than the CoverGirl shadows and the whole thing. So anyway, throwing that out there, that's the full look. So here we are right now, and I will see you guys in a couple of hours, which is really right now for you guys. Let's time travel. All right, you guys, so it is about like 5 o'clock right now. The shadow's still looking good. The highlight is still there. I really like this makeup. I feel like it is holding together just fine. I bet my eyelids smell like peaches and cardboard chocolate. Anyway, I'm about to go fix my nails right now. I think I'm gonna do like white, crisp, clean for this beautiful weather that we're having. I love the red though. This was actually OPI So Hot It Burns. I think I've mentioned that a couple of times. I really love this. I just wanted to do a quick out and about check-in in the natural light and show you guys the shadow is doing great. Like, it hasn't creased, it hasn't done anything weird, and we're good. All right, quick little outfit of the day. Oh my gosh, guess what my shoes are? Haha, Stuart Weitzman. Should I even own other shoes? Probably not. My jeans are from a boutique here in LA called William B. I love them. And then this sweater, I wanna say is Rag & Bone. I got it over the holidays, super cozy and comfy. It's a little bit chilly out right now, at least for me, and we're headed to go grab dinner. The nails, you guys, so good. Namaste Nail Spa or Nail Salon in the Valley in Studio City. So good. I had to drive a little bit to get to them, but so worth it. It was such an experience. I really loved it. So anyway, as far as the makeup, it's good. The shadow's still good. My face makeup, because I basically just wore tinted moisturizer today, is kind of wearing down a little bit, but everything else is pretty great. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, survey says she likes part of the collection and not all of it. So I have to say that the blush and the highlight wore off so much so that I won't be reaching for them again. But I have to say the contour I really liked. And it was even a little bit too dark for me, so I actually really want to order the lighter peach version with the highlight and blush in the compact, because I felt like the powder in that was a little bit different than the single blush pan and highlight pan, so that was cool. The eyeshadow wore like a dream. I am actually surprised because it is like almost midnight. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been like go, 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 go. We were out and about and got home, took care of a few things, and I looked in the mirror and I was like, dude, like the shadow's still pretty good. So it blended so beautifully. I don't always get this nice kind of a blurred edge from every shadow out there, so that was really exciting. They were easy to work with. The color tones were great. I felt very like naturally beautiful today, and just the whole look worked. So I really loved that. The scent factor of these is kind of like, it's kind of gross to me. I don't like the way they smell. I prefer the L'Oreal collection as far as like fragrance in your makeup, but it's totally unnecessary. So that's kind of the catch with this collection, but it's not what makes this collection great in my opinion. So we have 2 wins, 2 that I probably won't reach for again, and that's where I land. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please take a moment and hit the like button. That always helps me out. It lets me know that you do enjoy my videos. And if you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, because then you get to see all of my weird videos trying crazy products out. And then take it a step further, hit that notification bell so that you are notified of my videos. I do upload Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. PST, and I love you guys for hanging out with me. I love hearing your feedback and hearing what you want to see next. So keep in mind, I try to be as interactive and just here with you guys. Like, I love that part of YouTube. I love it. So yeah, I'm always listening to what you guys have to say, basically. So leave it in the comment section below. I love you so much. I hope whatever you are doing, you are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Mwah.